Getting stars and points on the Starbucks app is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get stars and points on Starbucks app. So for that you simply have to go to your Starbucks application, and in the Starbucks application you have to tap on this gift option, and then you have to go to this option which is correct car. You just have to tap on that option and there you go. You can easily see an option for join Starbucks to watch, so just have to tap on that option. Fill out this information and you will be signed up for the gift card or reward option. After signing up for the rewards of Jenny, just have to buy anything that you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy drinks, just keep on buying. You will get as you can see you can earn up to 1 star per dollar. So after getting all of these stars you can use it to redeem something. So that's pretty much it. I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this should I have for